Good day, everybody. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most popular gemstones, one of the most popular crystals out there. And you know it, I'm sure you know it well. It is called amethyst. It is a derivative of quartz. Quartz has quite a number of variations. They tend to be given different names, such as citrine or smoky quartz, amethyst, rose quartz, obviously. But amethyst is what we're going to be talking about today. Amethyst's meaning and spiritual properties. Amethyst is a beautiful stone with several benefits. It vibrates at a high frequency, which creates for spiritual protection and blocks out the lower, negative frequencies. It helps to awaken a higher consciousness and can be beneficial in assisting clear-headed decision-making that is free of emotional confusion. It helps with meditation and intuition. Amethyst has a strong energy and cleansing power. It helps to heal the cause of diseases. This crystal is beneficial for hormone regulation, headaches, migraine, hearing, asthma, blood clots, bacterial and viral infections, as well as arthritis. It is good for immune health, the heart, skin, stomach, liver, teeth, circulatory, and sympathetic nervous systems. Amethyst reduces bruising, swelling, injuries, and treats hearing disorders. It heals diseases of the lungs as well as the respiratory tract, along with skin conditions and cellular disorders. Amethyst also helps with addictions, especially alcoholism, as it aids in both detoxing and blood cleansing. It relieves physical, emotional, and psychological pain or stress. It is beneficial for the intestines in helping to regulate the flora and remove parasites, and encourage the reabsorption of water. Amethyst helps with insomnia and encourages restful sleep. Amethyst helps to enhance spiritual awareness. Amethyst is a crystal that is beneficial to the mind in clearing negativity and confusion, balancing out highs and lows, and promoting emotional centering. It helps with decision-making, negotiation skills, wealth, business success, moving forward in life, dealing with responsibility and change, as well as public speaking. It helps to balance emotions, dispel anger, violent tendencies, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Amethyst calms oversensitivity, tension, and grief. It is one of the most spiritual stones, encouraging love of the divine and spiritual wisdom. This crystal opens intuition and enhances psychic gifts. Amethyst also enhances memory, improves motivation, helping you to set realistic goals. At a subtle level, this stone helps to balance the physical, mental, and emotional bodies and links them to the spiritual. This crystal cleanses the aura and transforms negative energy. The chakras associated with amethyst include the throat and crown chakra. Amethyst provides a boost to psychic abilities, intuition, and mental understanding, and it stimulates the throat and crown chakras. The astrological signs associated with amethyst are Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces, and Virgo. Amethyst actually gets its name from the Greek word meaning to not intoxicate. Amethyst was used by the Greeks and the Romans to cure drunkenness. It can also be used to help with insomnia, grief, and addictions. It is found in Brazil, Britain, Canada, East Africa, India, Madagascar, Russia, Siberia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, United States, to name a few. The classic color of amethyst is a purple. It can vary from a lavender, light-colored purple to a very dark-colored purple, almost black. There are even actually varieties of amethyst which are more of a green color, and banded white chevron amethyst, also sometimes called a dream amethyst. Amethyst is an excellent stone for meditation and should be used to achieve high-frequency states. Sleeping with amethyst can also help to promote out-of-body experiences and encourage intuitive dreaming. Clusters and geodes of amethyst can be placed around your home or workplace. The geodes and crystals help to purify the atmosphere and create clarity and protection by balancing the surrounding energies. The stone is beneficial when worn over the heart or throat to help with insomnia, nightmares. Simply place a amethyst crystal underneath your pillow. And please keep in mind that amethyst crystal can fade quite dramatically if left out in sunlight for too long. So if you don't want your amethyst turning into clear quartz, don't expose it to too much sunlight. Of course, it can sit out there for a while and it'll be just fine, but after a while it will start to fade and turn transparent. And that has been our video today on crystal amethyst. If you liked this video, leave it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. We actually have some beautiful amethyst available on the Rock and Crystals shop. That link can be found in the description below. But we've got some fantastic dream amethyst and scintillating clear amethyst collector's kits that I think you would just absolutely love. So go and check those out if you feel like supporting this channel even further, or just getting yourself a beautiful collection of amethyst crystal. I am AJ Dayer, and I'll see you in the next video.